Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding but complex endeavor. Here are some basic steps you can follow to get started. 1. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of the stock market, including how it works, different types of stocks, and investment strategies. There are numerous online resources, books, and courses available in Hindi to help you understand the stock market. 2. Set clear goals. Determine your financial goals, such as saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding your child's education. Your goals will influence your investment decisions. 3. Assess your risk tolerance. Understand how much risk you are willing to take. Stocks can be volatile, and your risk tolerance will help you decide how much of your investment portfolio should be allocated to stocks. 4. Create a budget. Assess your financial situation and create a budget. Determine how much money you can afford to invest in the stock market without affecting your daily expenses and emergency fund. 5. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one stock or sector. Diversify your investments across different sectors and industries. This helps spread the risk. 6. Start with mutual funds. If you are a beginner, consider investing in mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks. Professional fund managers manage them. 7. Consider individual stocks. Once you have a better understanding of the market, you can consider investing in individual stocks, research companies, their financial health, and prospects before investing. 8. Monitor and rebalance. Keep an eye on your investments regularly. The stock market can be unpredictable, and it's essential to review your portfolio periodically. Rebalance your investments if necessary to maintain your desired asset allocation. 9. Stay informed. Stay updated with financial news and market trends. Understanding the broader economic factors can help you make informed investment decisions. 10. Avoid emotional decisions. Stock prices can fluctuate daily. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Stick to your investment plan and avoid emotional reactions to market volatility. 11. Seek professional advice. If you find the stock market overwhelming, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation and goals. Remember that investing in the stock market involves risks, and it's essential to do thorough research and make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance.